Good morning, everybody. My name is Krishna Yalamanchi, and I'm a cloud solutions architect focused on Intel Optane Persistent Memory and SAP HANA. Today, I'm joined by Valerie from Capgemini and Balaji from VMware.
Hi, everybody. Valerie Dixon with Capgemini. I'm part of the SAP Insights and Data practice at Capgemini with the focus on enterprise performance management solutions.
Hi, everyone. My name is Balaji. I'm a product manager at VMware focused on SAP HANA deployments.
Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Valerie. So today we're going to talk about how you can simplify finance close processes with Intel technologies. So as we look ahead into 2021, there's never been a better time to make decisions that will drive value and help future-proof your business. This is especially true for organizations migrating to SAP S/4HANA to improve efficiencies and save costs. Every major enterprise needs to reevaluate their finance close processes to avoid redundancies. Let's say you're running older versions of SAP HANA or NetWeaver systems. Your consolidations are being run in a BPC system. Your transactions are being run in a suite on HANA systems. And both these systems are kept in sync with replication, and all of these processes can be eliminated. Capgemini, Intel, and VMware have collaborated around S/4HANA group reporting. SAP S/4HANA Group Reporting is an offering from SAP, which allows customers to run consolidations and transactions on the same physical system. As a result, customers are able to accelerate close processes by gaining efficiencies without sending data to multiple systems. And Capgemini has taken SAP best practices for group reporting and enhanced them to ensure customers get faster time to value by leveraging decades of experiences Capgemini has with their customers. And it all starts with Intel Optane Persistent Memory. SAP and Intel innovated around Optane Persistent Memory. And as a result, your HANA columnar data, which is 95% of your database size, is now stored in persistent memory, starting HANA 2 support pack 03. So customers are able to write bigger queries or consolidate multiple SAP HANA workloads with increased memory density. Many of our OEMs are able to provide 50% more memory for the same cost. The net cost of a 6 terabyte all DRAM HANA system is the same as a 9 terabyte DRAM plus persistent memory HANA system. So Capgemini has updated their reference architecture to use PMEM because of all these benefits. Tell us more, Valerie, what have you done with the PMEM systems we have provided you?
Absolutely, Krishna. When it comes to finance, major corporations really need a partner with a proven track record in working with SAP solutions if they're really to extract the greatest value from their implementation investment. Capgemini's longstanding partnership with SAP and extensive experience supporting leading financial organizations means that we understand the concerns of a company that has recently moved to, is on the road to, or is still planning their transition to an SAP S/4HANA environment. Our first priority in crafting this solution was to ensure that it could provide accelerated value thanks to a reduced implementation time. So the entire close process itself is now managed in one centralized solution within S/4HANA Finance. That takes advantage of the performance and security of Intel's second generation Xeon scalable processors. And group reporting helps streamline the process while shortening the closing cycle. In addition, its automated controls, validation checks, accounting logic are all enhanced by detailed audit logs for data changes, allowing for greater compliance and traceability. This means we can provide a comprehensive solution with integrated governance, and that gives the enterprise full control and transparency over the whole process of financial consolidation. And we were successful in achieving all this without adding to the cost. In fact, we lowered it thanks to the persistent memory design. From a build perspective on this solution, we made sure that all of the critical components of consolidation were addressed, starting with data collection. Group reporting brings master data integration and near real-time transaction data integration from the S4 general ledger data, which allows quick loading into consolidation tables while still allowing visibility and drill down all the way back to the actual general ledger documents. Then we set up and executed processes for currency translation, custom and standard data validations. We also ran the new functionality in S4 HANA Finance for intercompany matching and reconciliation. We then took advantage of the ability we have to enter manual journals directly to group reporting, and then we executed customized intercompany eliminations and customized consolidation of investment tasks in order to finally get to the final consolidated reporting. And for consolidated reporting and group reporting, users can see that via either Fiori apps or from customized reports built using the Analysis for Office Excel add-in.
Thank you, Valerie. The one thing I want to add is customers can drive further value by ensuring that the reporting users are isolated from the transaction users. SAP capability called active read enable allows customers to have the transaction processing in the production system and all the read workload routed to the high availability system. This is an efficient design, a cost optimized solution, because you're using the high availability system every day of the week versus only using it during hardware failures. Balaji, tell us more how VMware simplifies SAP S/4HANA implementation.
Sure, Krishna. VMware has a long history of supporting SAP HANA deployments, and recently we have focused on multi and hybrid cloud environments. So customers can choose to deploy SAP HANA either in private cloud or public cloud or both, and they will have a seamless experience with no need to refactor their code. Another challenge that VMware helps solve is addressing the growth of SAP HANA databases. As the memory requirements increase, VMware is able to help by increasing your consolidation, reducing your TCO, increasing resiliency, as well as availability. And VMware supports virtualization of all SAP HANA modes, including scale-up, scale-out, and multi-VM scenarios. The innovative group reporting solution is actually running with the latest version of VMware vSphere 7.0U1, which now supports Intel Optane Persistent Memory. This means that customers can deploy a HANA VM once and then use that as a template to deploy it elsewhere. The secondary system also has another VM, which is used for production support. This means that any issues that the developers find can be easily propagated back into production with minimal downtime. We also get all the goodness of VMware vSphere, such as distributed resource scheduler, high availability, etc. with this system. We also support app direct mode for production as well as memory mode for non-production systems. And we support all of this at all of the persistent memory to memory configurations, such as 1:1 and 2:1 for analytics and transactional systems.
Thank you, Balaji. So let's summarize. So Intel Xeon with Optane Persistent Memory increases memory density and lowers TCOs. SAP's S/4HANA group reporting allows customers to run analytics and transactions on the same system. Capgemini is able to deliver value by enhancing SAP's best practices on their expertise. And VMware's vSphere allows you to migrate live workloads from host to host with zero downtime or data loss. So together with Capgemini and VMware, we're simplifying finance close for your enterprise. Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Valerie.
Thank you, Krishna.